How do you fix for the King 2 is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the general tab you can try to add -dx11 or -dx10 if the first one keeps crashing, and then go to the installed files category or tab and verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you want to open up your browser and go to this link, which is in the description below. And from this table here, you will need to download and install the 86 installer and the 64 for the redistributables, both of them. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. And right after the restart, you will also need to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates installed. So based on your GPU, you can either use the NVIDIA app if you're running NVIDIA or the AMD software if you have AMD. And from there, you can check and download the latest driver updates. And next, all you need to do is right click on Steam and run as admin before opening the game, and then just launch the game from your library. And that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.